At the Limestone District School Board, we're shaping the future by investing in STEM education for students. With a generous donation of $250,000 from the Limestone Learning Foundation, grades 9 and 10 technology courses are being transformed.
What's really great about these robotic kits is like everything is built in and everything is there to get those tangible experiences.
It's going to involve today a little bit of building on the spots. There's going to be a bunch of pit crews. You got to take off your tires and put them back on.
We've been making robots, building them, using kind of like Lego instructions on how to build them.
There will be 2 balls that we have to drive in a figure-8 circle around. We can switch out the types of wheels that we're going to be using for both the front and the back of our robot. And right now, currently we're testing how they perform and which way has the most control and handling and speed-wise. And we also need to just choose a driver that's going to navigate through the figure-8 circle.
So like with this TAS class, we're talking about a design process all the way through. How are we defining problems? How are we planning our solutions? And then what are we actually doing to build those solutions to those problems? With these kits, everything is there. Every student has the same access to those tools within their kits.
3, 2, 1.
So on an average day, I give them a problem. They have the periods, they have everything they need, and everything is tangible and immediate. So they get to see that design process throughout the periods all in one. Where sometimes with some other tools and other tech that we explore, you're kind of breaking things down a bit, or maybe you don't have access to a computer lab one day. So there's a little bit more breaks in that process where sometimes students don't see that whole process worked out as immediate as these kits are allowing, which is really great.
Some challenges I had personally faced, and with my group, was like the putting together the robot itself. It was like frustrating sometimes, but it was a good like group learning experience, and it was fun building with a team also, not just doing independent work.
Each day, they get a problem, explore with the robot, and work together. And what we're building in is a lot of reflecting on that too, where I want those groups to not just act on what their problem is, but also talk to their groups and reflect on how they went through those problems.
For this reflection, I believe I'm on an apprentice to expert level. For the tire category, I easily figured out which tires help with speed and which ones help with movement. So we quickly decided which ones we wanted. We chose one that would give us a bunch of control, but still give us some speed. So we were so we could have the fastest time possible. When we had problems, we would communicate with each other, and we automatically figured out some stuff that we did not want. We didn't want small tires because it was much harder for us to operate.
Thanks to the Limestone Learning Foundation, we're equipping students with the tools and skills to succeed in any pathway they choose after high school. Together, we're preparing them to shape the future.